So this is the best way to capture leads through Instagram comments. Okay, so real quick, my name is Josh Baldovino. I'm a marketer, I'm a real estate investor, and 6 weeks ago, we just closed on a 44-bed assisted living. So I'm blending my skill set as a marketer and a real estate investor to try and leverage myself into bigger commercial deals so that I can increase my portfolio, make more money, because that's all we all really want, is how can we also just set ourselves up for a strong financial future. So this is a next segment in terms of how we launch and raise money on an assisted living facility. Now, there are a few different softwares. There's ManyChat, there's GoHighLevel. I personally use GoHighLevel, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I used it to help identify investors in our assisted living facility and automate the reach out, automatically put them in my CRM. And so regardless of whatever you are selling, if you are selling a course, a high ticket product, or you just want more customers in the funnel, Instagram comment capture is the best. So here's exactly how I set up, and here's why it's important. Let me show you the net of this basically though first. Okay, so here is one of my Instagram posts, and you'll see here that there's a bunch of different comments here. Interested. So I had a automation that talked about why I'm going in and investing on a assisted living facility, and I wanted to actually see who would be a good partner to have on this deal. And so reply with interested if you've ever thought about investing in this. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a bunch of people here saying, hey, I want to learn a little bit more. Now, quick caveat, if you're raising money, make sure that you actually set up the fund correctly with an SEC attorney, which we did. I mean, we're now closed, this is in the back end. But if you're just doing it for email capture to build a list, then you can do this without having to do all that. But I specifically use this to just get those who might be interested in investing in our deal into the sales pipeline. So as a result, here's what happened. I'm gonna jump into my GoHighLevel here. All of these contacts initially added as interested opportunities. If I can raise $1 million from them, that'd be awesome. How many booked calls did I get in the pipeline? How many no-shows did I get? How many people are actually committed to the deal? And so this is the power of being able to try and reach more people and solidify who's actually interested fast so that you can move people through a sales pipeline really fast. I will show you the automation, how I built it, and then I'll show you the automation first, and then I'll show you how I built it. So here's what happens. If they comment on my post, in this specific one, it'd be assisted living, it would automatically respond to that comment, and then you can customize these. Now I recommend putting a few different types of responses. That way it looks a little bit more organic and not so bot-like. So sending, cool, great. And then tags them in my CRM itself. So it puts them as an LP potential, as Ellen's place, I know what deal they're specifically interested in. And then it also creates an opportunity in that pipeline in this nice little thing here, so I can see where they are on the stage. In this case, everyone gets added to interested, and then from there, I reach out, or actually the bot will reach out. It then shoots them a DM, and it says, hey there, here's all the baseline information of what we're doing, and I even have a quick little video on it. If you want to chat, let me know. I can send you my calendar link. Then it'll wait 15 minutes, and then you can have some additional automations on top of that. So if I'm going to make this automation from scratch, here's what I would do. Let's type this as an ebook test automation. Let's save that. Now, the only thing is it doesn't save automatically, specifically in this one, but I'm going to look for a workflow trigger. I'm going to go Instagram and comment on a post. And now the page is, look at that. You get all the stuff that you can do. Okay. And the page is going to be my page, and the post type is a published post. And the post is, I'm not going to select one. And then let's save the trigger. Okay, from here, I'm going to add a exact match phrase. And I'm put ebook, press enter. I'm even gonna put ebook this way, just in case people do it wrong. Press enter. I put it in all caps, enter, and that should work. So I'll save that trigger. And then now from here I need an action. And so I need to put a reply to a comment and add a new response. So let's say, sending your ebook now, check your DMs. Sure thing, check your DMs. And you can add, I'd say add 4 or 5. So let's go ahead and say that. It's fun too, you can even like the comments. There you go. Applicable for Facebook, Instagram's not supported. Got it. Okay, and then now I'm going to send them a DM. Instagram DM to that person. You can have it templated, or you can say, hey, here, contact, first name. Thanks for your interest in my ebook. This is the exact playbook. Blah, 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 blah. Exact playbook of how to invest in real estate. I've also included, a video. You can add a link. Let me know. And then from here, I'd say, I'd love to jump on a call, or if you want to do a call to action, you can go ahead and ask for a reply. I'd love to jump on a call to see how else I could help. Does that sound good? Or just what works for you? Something like that, right? Some kind of call to action there. So you'd save this. Now, I would also add a tag. And so in this case, it would be a test tag, and you can create that new tag or whatever you want to be. Let's call it test ebook tag. Let's save the action. And then I would also go ahead and I would add it as an opportunity in a pipeline. So if you want to add it in a pipeline, you then would have to an opportunity into a CRM so you can move people through where they're at. You have to create a new pipeline. In this case, I'm going to create a new, this is a test ebook pipeline, and there's going to be interest, first outreach, call booked, right? You can add whatever stage you want, proposal sent, and sold, right? This is a test pipeline. And so from here, once I go into that pipeline stage, I'm gonna select the pipeline. I might need to refresh this. So let's press save and let's refresh this. Now that I just made that pipeline, test ebook is there. That'll load, add the opportunity, and I will go ahead and go into opportunity, create an opportunity, select the pipeline, test ebook. The stage they're in is going to be an interest. The opportunity source is going to be Instagram. And if you had a lead value, say I'm trying to sell them on a high ticket course and that course is $5,000, let's go ahead and do that. And the status is the opened opportunity. So then I would save that there. And at this point too, you can even notify your internal team. So I can send an email and I can send it from whoever you want. Say this is from me@me.com, or the action name is notify new lead. me@me.com, subject, new ebook lead. And you have the subject, hey, you've got a new lead from XYZ. And you can go ahead and add this as many people as you want and automate as much as you want. For me, let me show you, let me just save this, and that's exactly how I'd build it out. What I've used this for me is a few different things. If I am talking about different concepts, or if anyone needs any GHL chats, Fresno memory care, etc. These are all kind of old now. Some are better than others, but there are so many different things that you can automate that would help you out. So if you found this helpful, if you are thinking about either launching an ebook, selling a product, building a sales pipeline, you want to automate how you do that through social media, this is my go-to way for sure, hands down. If you have any questions about GoHighLevel and building this out, please leave them in the comments down below. Also, if you would like a 14-day free trial of GoHighLevel, yes, it is an affiliate link, but I have now been using it for over a year and I love it as my CRM. We make calls and texts from it. It's awesome. To be honest, there are 1,000 different functionalities. You really only need to use 5 of them. Again, my name is Josh Baldovino. I'm a marketer. I'm a real estate investor, and I just want to help you make more content, invest in real estate, and just make more money. So if you appreciate that and you want to see more of what else we've done to close on this assisted living deal, make sure to like and subscribe. The next video I'm going to be showing you is exactly how we built out ads to then funnel more potential residents into our new assisted living. So if you want to see that video, please subscribe. And if you're in the future, I'll leave that link down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers, guys.